Hi everyone, my name is Anaksha Alamyan and welcome back to my channel where we talk about books, productivity and writing on Medium. So how much money can a writer really make through writing? I've heard several people make several answers to this question. It can vary from something as low as 500 rupees in 1 month. 500 rupees is like 35 US dollars and it can go as high as 1 lakh INR, which is about 1400 USD in 1 month. But I have been writing online since almost 2014, but I didn't make any money until 2020, which is last year. And January was my best month so far because the earnings were really insane. It was much higher than I expected. And in this video, I'm going to do a detailed breakdown of how much I exactly earned just by writing and what were my different streams of income. So before we get started, I want to make clear three things. The first is that I had 7 streams of income in January 2020. Out of those 7, there were 3 that paid a lot. The rest were just made up a small fraction. But I have hope from them that they are going to increase in the future. That's why I'm still counting them as my income streams. The second important point is that the reason behind making this video. So when I was starting out as a writer, I was so inspired by other creators who made similar videos. When you break down the earnings of someone who is successful, you can just see that the kind of hard work that they are doing, and that it's not that success is just happening overnight. You can see their journey, you can see how they have evolved through the months, and this is something that I want to do. This is my way of giving back to the community because I have learned so much from so many amazing creators who are transparent with their earnings. I also want to do the same so that it can inspire even one person. I would be happy with that. So here's a shout out to the people who really inspired me with their earnings breakdown video. The first is Zuli Rain with her earnings on Medium and her earnings from her freelance streams that she has been so transparent about, and I'm so grateful to her. The second is Ali Abdal. He is like my YouTube inspiration, like my YouTube crush, you can say. I've been following him for almost a year and I've seen his growth. It's incredible. And he is one of my biggest sources of inspiration behind making such a video. And the third is Tom Quigler, who is an amazing writer on Medium. He's also the editor of Postgrad Survival Guide. I haven't watched his earning breakdown video, but I have read his earnings breakdown article on Medium recently, and it was so useful and so inspiring that actually that I just read the article yesterday, and today I'm making this video because I was so inspired by it and I wanted to do something similar so I can help some other creator, some other writer also start on their journey. And the third main point I'm clarifying is that the reason, another important reason behind making this video is that I want to document my journey because 2021 is going to be one of the milestone years in my life. I'm going to take some major lifestyle changes. I am not yet disclosing what kind of changes they are, but you'll see them pretty soon in my channel. So, yeah, 2021 is going to be a great year where I'm going to explore different avenues of freelancing, writing, and being an entrepreneur. So, I want to document my journey. January was the first year, and I want to keep this video as proof of my growth. So when we are in December 2021, we can look back and see how far I have come and what it took, how much time it took, what were the efforts involved. All of them combined will be a great way to document my growth, and I want to be as transparent as possible with you people, and so that if you have any questions or if you have any doubts regarding what it takes to earn this much or how much time and effort it takes to write that much, I'll be happy to answer all of that in the comments. My purpose is to help you understand that you don't have to be a broke writer. You can be a writer, you can write whatever you wish, whenever you wish, and you can also make money from that. So yeah, that's enough disclaimer for this video. Let's get started with how much money I made from writing in 2021. So like I said, I had 3 major sources of income. The first and the one I'm most grateful to is Medium. So I have been writing on Medium since May 2020, seriously on Medium, and my earnings have taken a steady jump, a steady increase each month. January was my best month so far because I made about 917 USD from writing. After deducting the taxes, it comes down to about 50,497 INR, which is about 750 USD if I'm not wrong. So that is the breakdown of my earnings from Medium. I wrote 14 articles and I had about 56 or 60,000 views in January, and this is how it reflected in my earnings. Most of my highest earning articles are articles about books. As you can see here, the top 6 articles are all about books, and they were published in my own publication, Books Are a Superpower, which has about 5,300 followers so far. It's not a major big publication, but it is contributing a lot to my earnings. I have also published in really big publications like Mind Cafe and PS I Love You, the writing cooperative, that have more than 100,000 followers, but I've never made a lot from my articles out there. The maximum I have made from Mind Cafe is, I think, $50, but the maximum I have made from a Books Are a Superpower article is almost $470, which is great considering the ratio of followers between these two publications. So if you are looking for a takeaway here, it's that play to your strengths. My strength is I am an avid reader. I have been an avid reader since school. I've read more than 800 books in my life, and I love writing articles that recommend books or that review books that I really loved. So I'm just playing to my strength and making money from it. And it's amazing that the people on Medium actually want to read that. The second big source of income is Better Humans articles. I wrote two Better Humans articles in December and one in January, and I got the payment of all three together in January. So I'm going to count that in my January income. And three articles means $1,500. And when I deduct the tax that is cut from PayPal, it comes up to 1,264 INR. So this is an incredible way of making money because Better Humans pieces, they take out a lot from me. It takes me about 4 or 5 days to complete one Better Humans article. Combine that with the effort taken in creating images and getting feedback from other writers. I would say it takes me about a week to write one Better Humans article. And if you count that in hours, it will be like 2 hours per day. So 14 to 15 hours I spend on each article, and I make about 460 US dollars from each article. I would say it's a pretty good investment because I'm still because Better Humans is such an amazing place. They have insane high standards for an article to get accepted. And whenever something of mine gets published there, it feels like a huge achievement. I feel like I have done something really amazing. The third big source of income is my freelance client. So I wasn't looking for freelance opportunities, to be honest. All I did was I was just writing on Medium. But this person who is like, I have huge respect for them, but I don't want to reveal their name or their affiliation here because I'm not sure if this information is supposed to be public. But they read a couple of my pieces on Medium and they asked me if I would like to work for them. At that time, I was just looking for more opportunities to build more streams of income. So I said yes, why not? So I work for them for about 10 hours each week and they pay me 1,500 US dollars every month. I started working for them on 26th November. So from 26th November to 31st December, the earnings came up to 1750 US dollars. After tax deduction, the amount was 1,16,530 INR, which was deposited on my account in January. So I'm going to count that as my January income. And I'm very happy with this work because the kind of articles I write for them, or should I say, the kind of articles I ghost write for them, they really fill me with this insane fire. They expect me to do a lot of research, and each article takes about 3 to 4 hours for me to write. But I have learned so much. In just 1 month, I am so inspired by them. I have also changed my writing style on Medium. You might have noticed the kind of articles I wrote in November are really different from the kind of articles I write now in January and February. And a huge credit goes to my freelance employer, should I say. I'm not sure what's the correct term for it because this is my first freelancing opportunity. But I am so grateful for them, not just because of the generous amount they pay me, but because of this huge learning and networking opportunity. And if you are looking for a takeaway here, it's that I never went out looking for a freelance opportunity. I just got it because I was writing on Medium. And that proves that consistency is so important. Maintaining a quality, a standard for your articles is so important, because if you keep writing what you're passionate about, if you keep improving your skill, people are going to take notice of you, and your and opportunities are going to open up for you. You don't even have to actively look for them. All you have to do is create and keep creating. The fourth source of income was Newsbreak. I never planned to have a source of income like Newsbreak. It just happened to me. So I just saw Matt Lillywhite, who's my friend and an amazing writer on Medium. He was posting on Twitter that Newsbreak is a great opportunity for writers. You can get $1,000 by just writing 12 articles each month. So I just signed up for this link. I didn't really expect much, but guess what? I just got paid 1000 USD in my account, which amounts to 70,672 INR. And this was deposited to my account by Newsbreak in January, which is my earnings from December. And this is like the blessing I didn't know I needed. I've also made a video regarding all my learnings and how to make money on Newsbreak. Going to link it right here. And if you want to sign up for this, you can find the link in my description. You can also join their creator program. Currently, they have changed their earning schemes. You no longer get paid $1,000 fixed pay every month, but there is a base pay of $25 per article, and you get $4 for every 1,000 views you get. So it's a little complicated, but if you stick to it, you can definitely figure it out. So just check out the link in my description to join Newsbreak's creator program today. So these were my four major sources of income. Apart from that, I also made 3,500 from Project Medium, which is my course where I teach new writers on Medium to start making money from writing. I didn't do any promotions for Project Medium in January. That's why I didn't get new signups. Also, I was pretty busy with my previous batch students. That's why I didn't really welcome any new students in January. This 3,500 INR, which is like $50. This is from a student who signed up for this course on a EMI basis. So they pay me on a recurring basis for 3 months. But in February, I have started promotions in full swing, and I've already welcomed 10 new students for this course. And I'm so excited to see where this takes me further. If you would like to be a part of this amazing family of writers who are so passionate about writing and building a huge stream of income for themselves from Medium, you can find the link to join Project Medium in the description of this video. The next stream of income is from a blog where I share my articles. It's called Himalayan Writing Retreat, and they pay 1 INR per word, which is not so much considering all my other streams of income, but I keep writing for them because I love the kind of topics they give me for writing. This was the article that I wrote for them in January, and it's doing pretty good. The comments have been good, and let's hope I can keep working with them in the future, because I love networking with the team. They are a bunch of passionate individuals who really love writing, and it's a great way to connect with other authors in my country, India. The last source of income is from my book sales. I have written 3 books in my life, but I sort of stopped promoting them so far. So I made only 270 rupees, which is like 4 or 5 USD. It's not much, obviously, but it still feels good. It still feels good that people are still buying my book, even if I've done 0 promotion so far. And it's a great feeling that people are still connecting with my words, because the reviews that keep coming on Amazon and Goodreads, they're really encouraging. And I'm not sure when I'm going to publish my next book, but yes, this is definitely a huge motivation to keep on writing. So if you count the total from all the 7 streams of income, it comes down to 3,44,148 INR, which is equal to 4,741 USD in just 1 month, and just by writing. This is a huge amount because I have never made this kind of money in 1 month ever in my life, nor have the people. And in India, because of the exchange rates, this comes down to a like really a great amount, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to earn something like this just from my passion. And in February, I plan to increase it even more. So in February, I plan to increase it even more because I'm going to write more on Medium, and I have also signed up for another freelance project, and I have also found a few more sources of income. So we will discuss all of that in my February earnings breakdown video. So this was all for January. I hope this video was useful, and I hope it inspired you in some way to keep on writing, because if you are just starting out, it's difficult to make this kind of money. And I am not this I was able to make so much money because I have been writing online since 2014, and I have experience also because I was always writing since school. If you're a new writer, it might be a little difficult to build the momentum, but don't get discouraged. Keep writing because consistency is the key. If you write every day, if you get feedback every day from people, and if you improve your writing based on the analysis of your statistics, you are definitely going to improve a lot. Trust me, writing every day is like a blessing, it's like a boon, it's like a secret superpower. So, yeah, that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it motivated you to pick up your pen or open your laptop and start writing immediately. If you have any questions regarding this video or anything else regarding my income streams from writing, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And keep watching this space for more. I have plans for some amazing videos soon. So I'll see you again. Till then, stay awesome. Take care. Stay positive but test negative. Bye.